Okay, let's see what we got here. This is the beehive with the ants. So, what is going on? Wow. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's not good. Wow. That's not good. Take a look. Okay. We've got ton of ants, some dead bees and wasps. Okay, right here there is a wasp in the middle of dead bees, and it is moist. It is the paperboard is damp from the sugary water, so that's not what I wanted to see. Let's get it off. Oh wow, can you see that? Maybe if I close. Yeah, there it is. I just hope the phone stand will hold. Yeah, okay. Give me a sec, I will start the smoker and we will continue. Let's get it started. This is some ordinary alcohol, technical alcohol, just to better start it. Oh, yeah, okay, it's burning. Yeah. I'll just top it off with some more paper. Just recycled paper from eggs. Okay, back to the hive. Hope you can see something. Yeah, this should be okay. Wow, they haven't finished. They're not finished yet. Wow, that is unexpected. Unexpected. And it's pouring all over the place. Damn it. This is not what I wanted. I hope the reason is they are all filled up. Wow. And it is glued. Can you see that? I hope you can. It's glued with the propolis. Yeah, this is the propolis. They got more than a week to process this, so maybe no, it's actually 2 weeks. It was raining for a week, and then they got another week of pretty nice weather. So let's see what they got. I would expect them to have frames full of sugar ready for the winter. Oh my god. That is stuck in there. I'm hearing them buzzing, so I'm just smoke them a little bit more in case they would like to defend. Yeah, let's see. Huh, okay. Well, by the weight, there is nothing much. The dark frames have the sugar, water sugar inside. Yeah, same here, not much. Okay. And I would also like to find some brood for the winter. I'm gonna put some boxes away so that I have some space on my table. And I will put away the entire box and see in the bottom one. Okay, it is heavy. It's not empty. Wow, there is definitely something. Okay, here I see some life. So I'm gonna pick. So over there I see some life, so I'm gonna pick those few frames up and see what's inside. Oops. Okay, how about this one? Wow, that's heavy. Okay. Okay, this is full of sugar. This is heavy. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So we've got the resources for the winter here. And what about the brood? Where can I find it? Let's just try to peek in. Not here. Second one from back. I can see that. Yeah. No. No brood here. Just the sugar. That's the food. Okay, what about this? What do we have here? Oh, also sugar. Huh. Damn it. You guys need some bees for the winter. I would expect the mothers still be laying eggs. Oh, this is completely empty. This is empty too. Oh. Okay, so maybe they are storing the food in the bottom ones and the brood will be actually in the upper ones. I just need to get this going. It's been a while since I have inspected them, so I just want to look inside. How's it going? Yeah. During the feeding I didn't open them. I just added more bottles, and then it was raining for a week, so I wasn't even here at all. Sugar. So just before the winter I wanted to take a peek inside how it's looking. Okay, so no brood here. Woo! Okay, so in the bottom one I see only food, or the frames are completely empty, dry and light. So I'm not even sure if I should start the curing. So that's the bottom one. And I'm just trying to get the bees on the edge, inside or anywhere else, so that I don't crush them when I put the other box back on top of it. Okay, that should be okay. Are you still seeing? Yeah, okay, there is something. So let's get a better look at this. Nothing. Also nothing. Okay, this is heavy. And we have sugar water. Okay, that's sugar. Sugar, lots of it. Okay. Lots of sugar. They still have a lot of work to do. They need to dry it up. There is a lot of water inside it, so they need to dry it up, get rid of the water so that it doesn't freeze. Well, actually, they are warming up the beehive inside, so it shouldn't be freezing. So that shouldn't be actually a problem. All the bees are for the sugar. But even so, they want to concentrate it. And also I think some bacteria might be concerned. Okay, this is heavy. Yeah, this is full of sugar. This is heavy. This is full. Oh. But still, I see no brood at all. Huh. That is strange. No eggs, no brood, no nothing, just sugar. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What is happening here? Do we even have a mother? Okay, I see wasp. Dead wasp. This is strange. And this is completely dry, and that's okay. I wanted to take away the last one anyway, so I want to have the last space empty, so that because the last one gets moist in the winter, and it will get mold on it. So this should be preventing that. Wow. Okay, this is ugly. Okie dokie. So that would be the inspection. Didn't go really well. I didn't see what I expected, but let's get on with the curing anyway. So I'm putting here empty frames. Okay, what the hell is going on? Yeah, right. Like that. Can you see that? No, sorry. You cannot see. Okay, maybe from the other side. Okay, let's ultra wide frames. Yeah, that's better. Ultra wide lens, I mean. Now this is what I have. I will get around 65 milliliters of this acid and pour it on top of this. I will do it somewhere where I don't accidentally spill it directly on the bees. And also I will get these rubber gloves. So yeah, okay, you were seeing that. That's okay. So let's get another layer of gloves. This is chemical protection. And if you are wondering if it smells somehow or how it smells, yeah, it smells. It smells like extremely strong vinegar. Okay, that's more than 60. Okay, that's less than 60. That's about 60. A bit more. Okay, I guess that's about 65. So now just pour it on, let it soak. Okay, and now it will evaporate over the course of 3 days. So I will just cover it up and let it be. After 3 days, I will take it out. Okay, so that's all for the one hive, and I think I will just do the rest on the time lapse. So enjoy.